All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:46 in the morning of the 14th of April, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So today, I expect there to be just pretty much more movement within this consolidation range that we have here. So here you can kind of look back and you'll see late January of this year, consolidation here. These are the Qs. Here's another consolidation area. And here we are inside the consolidation area again. And I think we're just going to spend a few days bumping around in here. I mean, I could be wrong. And, the zone isn't clearly defined either. Let me put up some lines here. So we've got the bottom of the zone kind of down here. Let's get rid of that one real quick. And then the top of the zone, the top of the zone's kind of right here. I mean, so it could spike up and down. I mean, as high and as low as, 358 down to as low as 334, could happen on any given day. And that is actually quite a wide range for one day, But, I mean, that's more than 20 points. That would be a little bit unusual for a consolidation zone. And I suppose really kind of what I'm looking for, I'm looking for bearish setups. So I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't get any bearish setups yesterday. Let's take a look at the 10-minute here. Yeah, look at this. This thing, it did not give any bearish setups for me anyway. So I was kind of, sat back. Actually, I think I left for lunch at about 10:30. So yeah, right here, this kind of spike up right here, I left and I got back at about 11:30, and there's just really still nothing, no sign of any bearishness in here for me. The VIX was really calm, pretty calm all day yesterday too. See right here, yeah. So let's see. Here's the VIX on the 13th. Yeah, it was just steadily going down and down and down, and there was just really, there was no real good price movement for me on the bear side yesterday. It just wasn't happening. So I didn't trade. What's going to happen today? Who knows? I mean, if I were to guess, which is all this is a guess anyway, looking at the Qs, I would guess that today, if it's going to stay inside the consolidation zone, it might pop up as high as this this low right here from the 8th of April in order to kind of close that gap. See, it was April Friday of last week. Yeah, or the 8th was Friday of last week. Maybe the weekly chart will kind of give us a little bit of a clue as to kind of what's going on here. It could make a run for this 349 area here today. Maybe it meets resistance. Maybe it pushes past it. Then again, it could start, kind of rolling over, here today and finishing the week on the red. Really hard to say. I think, I'll mark this off for today. This getting to be kind of a lot of numbers in here. Let's see, 345 roughly, 344.80, 345. A break below that, I'll look for more downside. A break above and then a hold of 349 today. That'd be huge. That'd be a big upside. My bias is still bearish, so I'm just gonna have to keep an eye out for the setups. If I get a bearish setup, then I'll take it, and that's my bias right now. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I guess we can take a look around. Yesterday was a really a nice up day. I think there were a lot of people who were expecting continuation yesterday. We'll take a look at the monthly here real quick too. So far we've got a red April. It's usually not the way April plays out. We'll see what happens halfway through the month. All right. Yeah, so I think there were a lot of people expecting, this was a really bearish signal. The 11th of April, here's its open up here, and then there's its close, and then the next day it opened higher and closed lower, and that's usually a very bearish signal. That means it's just bearish. And I think the market did a pretty good job yesterday of extracting some money from people, given the sentiment almost certainly was bearish. I know I was bearish going into yesterday. I just didn't get a bearish setup. So it just rose yesterday. It just went up and up and up and up. And then it opened a little bit higher and then closed higher. So for me right now, I don't see anything. It's not clear to me, which direction it's going to go today. And usually the days before a 3-day holiday are pretty quiet. Usually the week before a 3-day holiday is pretty quiet. So, I wouldn't be surprised to see an inside day today. I mean, yesterday did put in a rather significant range from, a high of 346 and a low of, 339, that is. So it wouldn't surprise me to see an inside day today. And so I think I'll probably be able to get a couple of bearish setups for today, but I don't know, we'll see. And let's see, let's go to the crypto, which Bitcoin, it looks to me, Bitcoin is doing the best it can, to kind of get back up into this zone, and we have a series of higher lows here, look at this. I'll put another red line on this thing. But yeah, we've got a series of higher lows in here. So, Bitcoin could be turning bullish, or this could just be a another setup for another leg down. I mean, real hard to say. Yeah. So let's see, what's the next after that? Batteries. How are the batteries doing? Ooh, batteries are not doing so well. Energizer. Oh my goodness, Energizer. Wow. Oh my goodness. I was really expecting Energizer to do better than this. Berkby has Duracell. The REITs ought to be doing well. Yeah. Some consolidation happening here on the REITs, sideways movement. Huh. All right. Well, yeah. For the time being, it's pretty much the morning strategy session. I'm looking for bearish setups. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you on Monday morning's strategy session. Have a great weekend, everybody. I am out.